The Hindu for aspirants. Today's important articles for UPSC. Let's start. China is following debt policies. It's an opportunity for India to stronghold its position as a leader of Global South. India comes with Global Development Compact, which has 5 modalities of engagement with the Global South. These engagements are capacity building, technology transfer, market access, grants, and concessional finance. And India is also extended the line of carrots under the ideas. But global development finance witnesses a serious decline as collapse of US aid and decline of FCDO. So there is a solution in the form of triangular cooperation. This brings together a facilitator or a donor from the global north, a pivotal country like India, to help a beneficiary country like South Asian countries or an African nations. Next article. Integrating compassion, prioritizing palliative care. Not just to provide curative treatment aimed at eradicating disease, but to provide a specialized care addressing physical, emotional, social, spiritual needs of a person is called a palliative care. India also mentioned palliative care in National Health Policy of 2017, but only 1 to 2% of Indians have access to it. And shortage of trained professionals, limited funding, and lack of proper infrastructure further raise the concern. So, what is the way forward? Integrating palliative care into the MBBS curriculum and training registered nursing and allied healthcare professionals ensure holistic care. And dedicated funding and schemes like Ayushman Bharat have to be expanded is the need of the time. Next article. Artificial intelligence in India. India has the ambition to be a global leader in AI governance, but we lack comprehensive democratic national AI strategy. So what are these challenges? We currently have only India AI mission that is even led by the bureaucrats. And evenly, the governance gap in the employment as India top 3 companies shed 65,000 jobs. And data is the new raw material. We need democratically debated data framework, and energy demand for the global data center has to be doubled by 2030. So, what is the way forward? Cabinet endorsed national AI strategy we need and dedicated standing committee on AI to oversee executive initiative and to commission a national impact study on AI driven. This one pager notes with micro themes available on my Telegram channel.